Hello, guys, welcome to Beyond. Today I will teach you about encapsulation. So stay tuned to this video. Definition of encapsulation. The system of wrapping data and function into a single unit, called class, is known as encapsulation. Benefits of encapsulation. 1. The class will maintain its data members and methods as read-only. 2. Data hiding prevents the user from the complex implementations in the code. 3. The variables of the class can be read only or write only as per the programmer's requirement. 4. Encapsulation in Java provides an option for code reusability. 5. Using encapsulation will help in making changes to an existing code quickly. Need for encapsulation in Java. Better control. Encapsulation provides ultimate control over the data members and data methods inside the class. Getter and setter. The standard IDEs provide inbuilt support for getter and setter methods, which increases the programming pace. Security. Encapsulation prevents access to data members and data methods by any external classes. The encapsulation process improves the security of the encapsulated data. Flexibility. Changes made to one part of the code can be successfully implemented without affecting any other part of the code. How does encapsulation work? Object-oriented programming provides access modifiers to control the visibility and accessibility of class-level structures and hide sensitive data from users. Programmers should use these access modifiers to differentiate between the public and non-public interfaces of an object. Access modifiers are used to restrict the scope of a class, constructor, variable, method, or data member. It sets some restrictions on the class members not to get directly accessed by the outside functions. In object-oriented programming, there are 4 different types of access modifiers: public, private, protected, and default access modifier. Examples of encapsulation. Imagine a car, any model will work. Now, think about the various components that make up the car, such as tires, wheel, engine, and shafts. These components can be thought of as data attributes of the class, car. Now, consider actions that a car can perform, such as moving, steering, honking, etc. These actions can be thought of as the methods of the car class. Advantages of encapsulation. 1. Encapsulation increases code reusability. 2. Encapsulation reduces the complexity of the system. 3. It provides better code maintainability. 4. Encapsulation enables greater flexibility. 5. Encapsulation is easy to reuse. 6. Encapsulation provides data protection and information hiding. Difference between encapsulation and inheritance. Encapsulation helps to protect the data and behavior of an object, while inheritance helps to reuse and extend existing classes. Both concepts are crucial to creating robust and efficient software systems in OOP. Difference between encapsulation and abstraction. Encapsulation is the mechanism for protecting the data and behavior of an object, while abstraction is the technique for simplifying the interface of an object and hiding its implementation details. Both concepts are important for creating robust, maintainable, and efficient code in OOP. Summary of encapsulation. Encapsulation is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming, OOP, and Java provides several features to support encapsulation. In Java, encapsulation is achieved by using the private access modifier to declare instance variables and hide the implementation details of an object. This allows you to control access to the data and behavior of an object and prevent external interference. Java also provides public methods, known as getters and setters, to allow access to the private instance variables of an object. This provides a controlled way of accessing the data and behavior of an object, making it easier to maintain and modify the code.